Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Kia Niro EX plug-in hybrid. The Niro is offered in three, flavors, if you will. You have the normal hybrid, you move then up to the plug-in hybrid, which is this one here, and then finishing off with the full EV. As you notice, this one is quite quiet. When you're in park and the battery allows it, you can sit here in electric vehicle mode and it's just as happy as a clam. Go ahead, take a look at the window sticker. Here's where you plug it in, of course. $34,720 is the sticker price. Very, very nice seats. This one also has a bigger battery with an 8.9 kilowatt hour lithium ion battery, 1.6 liter 4-cylinder with the 60 horsepower electric motor added on. This has a 6-speed quick shift DCT, and you have 26 miles of full electric range, which is not bad because if you think about it, if you're just going 5 miles to work, you sit there, you plug it in overnight. You can set a departure time so the car will be done charging at that point or will stop charging so you can remove the plug easier. It's just the perfect around town vehicle. And even though 26 miles is not a lot in the scheme of Teslas and stuff like that, where you can go 250 miles on full electric power, this is also a hybrid, so you can sit there and drive all day and have 500 miles of gas range. It's pretty impressive. The interior is absolutely beautiful. I love the digital infotainment system. Front two windows are fully automatic. Sun visors, because what car doesn't have them? But yeah, without further ado, we'll go ahead, put it in drive. In reverse, you get a little beeper because it is, of course, silent. People won't know that, hey, a car's coming. The battery on this one's pretty well finished off, so you can't change it into EV mode. But if it was fully charged, you can go ahead, press this button, and it switches it between fully electric and hybrid electric. When in normal drive, your paddles on the back of the wheel control how much regen you want the vehicle to have. You have four levels. So you have off, level 1, level 2, and level 3. And then you can change that with the paddles when you're normal drive. When you bump it over into sport mode, which we'll do once we hit the main road, it can then control your gears and puts you in manual mode. Do pardon the roads. We just had Tropical Storm Isaiah? I don't know how you pronounce it, these tropical storm. All I know is it was windy. So there's going to be a couple leaves and mini trees in the road. And this is my first time driving the route today. So I'm not sure if there's just going to be a tree down in the middle of the road like this. Just have a tree in the middle of the crosswalk. Or sidewalk. As we're just driving right now, we are in fully electric mode. I have the energy flow put up in the center infotainment display screen, so you can view when it's in fully electric mode. when it's in regen. Bump it over into sport mode. Throttle gets a lot more sensitive. This is actually really fun to drive. The thing with electric vehicles is the batteries are mounted down low. What that does is lowers the center of gravity, which gives handling really a much needed boost in vehicles that you wouldn't expect it. I really loved the Chevrolet Bolt, the Leaf, the Model 3, all are very, very good examples. Another huge bonus of electric power is instantaneous torque. What's nice about this is when the engine is not making its peak power up high in the rev band, you can just floor it and the electric motor makes up for that lack of torque and the fact that it's not in its power band, and it just pulls very consistently and actually quite hard for what it is. It's a very, very fun car. Something I didn't really expect. When I drove the Ioniq, of course this car's platform twin, the Hyundai Ioniq, it was a lot of fun. Definitely surprised me. Very much for the best. This is a really, really nice car. These are very eco-friendly tires, designed for the least rolling resistance possible. So they're not the grippiest tires in the world. But it still is a lot of fun to drive. On that note, I want to say thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.